Smart. Let me turn this off also. Okay, so let's unscrew this. Just a regular sheet metal screw. 1 and 1. And if you look, not good. Somebody's been eating. Somebody's been eating and making. Let's just make sure there's nothing stopping the what? All right. This one inside is it got a lot of crap too. I'm gonna have to vacuum it off. Vacuum it out rather. All right, so let's do the same thing. Difficult. All right, let's see if I get in there. There's a little dust, it's not too bad. All right, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the capacitor covers back on because I don't want to get water in there. So I'm going to use this NU Calgon stuff. A little shake. This is a 4-to-1 mixture. I just always use it on the heavy setting. Let's get this in here. Got a leak in here. All right. I can get this over here. Not in as much as I'd like. Come on, dirt. Come on, dirt. I need a little more. This video doesn't really do it justice, but there was a ton of brown dirt that came out of the coil. I mean, this is probably my fourth or fifth time doing this, but not with this professional gun. And usually almost nothing comes out. There was, like I said, a ton of brown dirt trapped in the foam. All right, let's get over here. You see the dirt coming off of here. This is awesome. You know what this is going to do for my air conditioner? Absolutely nothing. It was pretty clean to begin with, but whatever. At least I feel better, like I did something with the warning instead of doing nothing. I'm kind of glossing over this part. This is actually one of the more time-consuming, annoying parts of this, taking it apart and putting it together. Unfortunately, when I inherited this from the prior homeowners, it's a 30-year-old unit, the parts were all bent out of the shape, and it's still bent out of shape, so it's kind of hard to get it back together and take it apart every season. But, you know, I stick some WD-40 in there and I make it fit. But it is a little bit of time-consuming pain. And here I just put on the disconnects, and I went inside and turned on the breakers, and you can see the unit on the left is spinning up. And I had to put both thermostats down so that the AC would go on. I just wanted to make sure I didn't wreck anything electrical, and I didn't. And that's it. We're living happily ever after, nice and cool. Thanks for watching.